ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 2 સ્ટાર્ટ કરેલો હતો, એનો ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2, that is example number 14 of your book. Sri Kumble is participating doctor from the following case account. It is given case account for the year ended on 31st March 2016. Calculate his taxable income from business and profession. Opening balance, rent of operation theatre, consultation fee, gift from patient, gift from relative on his birthday, that is personal income, so don't consider in business and profession. Sale of medicine, business income. Sale of surgical equipment, assets નું સેલ કરેલું છે, that is not consider in profit and loss account. Bank interest, income from other source. Interest on deposit, income from other source. Debit side, hospital rent, business expenditure. Hospital expense, business expenditure. Life insurance premium, personal expense. Investment in PPF account, personal investment. Fire insurance premium, hospital, that is business related. Resident, that is personal related. Municipal taxes, hospital, that is business related. Resident, that is personal related. Drawing, personal expense. Purchase of medicine, purchase of surgical equipment, capital expenditure. Vehicle expense, personal, it is given personal, so not allowed. Additional information, he has earned salary of rupees 50,000 from medical college. This is income from salary, so don't consider in business and profession. Opening balance of surgical equipment after initial depreciation was 75,000. The rate of depreciation is 25%. So we have to calculate depreciation on equipment. Opening stock of medicine was 35,000 and closing stock was 45,000. So we have to find out consumption of medicine. Let's see. Statement prepare करशु. Statement showing taxable income from business and profession of Mr. Kumble. Assessment year 2016-17, previous year 2015-16. Particulars, amount. A, taxable business income, સૌથી પહેલા કેશ એકાઉન્ટમાં ડેબિટ સાઇડ ઇન્કમ, રેન્ટ ઓફ ઓપરેશન થિયેટર, રેન્ટ ઓફ ઓપરેશન થિયેટર 1,20,000. કન્સલ્ટેશન ફી 2,12,000. કન્સલ્ટિંગ ફી 2,12,000. Next, gift from patient, $20,000. Next, gift from relative, not consider. Sale of medicine 1,20,000. Next, sale of surgical equipment, not consider. Bank interest, not consider. Interest on deposit, not consider. Total $1,20,000 plus 2,12,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,20,000, 4,72,000. A, એમાંથી માઇનસ કરશું. લેસ બી, એડમિસિબલ બિઝનેસ એક્સપેન્સીસ. એક્સપેન્સીસ ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ, હોસ્પિટલ રેન્ટ 1,54,000. Hospital expense 25,000. Next, life insurance premium, personal expense, investment in PPF, personal investment, fire insurance premium, hospital 10,000. Hospital fire insurance premium 10,000. Next, municipal taxes, hospital 5,000. Municipal taxes, hospital 5,000. Next, drawing personal expenditure, purchase of medicine. So we have to calculate consumption of medicine because opening and closing stock આપેલો છે. Consumption of medicine, opening stock, it is given in adjustment number 3. Opening stock of medicine was 35,000 plus purchase is given in cash account, purchase of medicine 1,10,000 less closing stock. Closing stock is also given in adjustment number 3, 45,000. 35,000 plus 1,10,000 minus 45,000, 1 lakh. This is consumption. Consumption of medicine 1 lakhs. Consumption of medicine 1 lakhs. Next, purchase of surgical equipment, capital expenditure, vehicle expense, personal expenditure. Now we have to calculate depreciation on surgical equipment. Depreciation on equipment. Opening stock of equipment is given in adjustment number 2. The opening stock of surgical equipment is 75,000. 75,000 minus sold during the year. Sale is given debit side. Sale of surgical equipment 10,000. So minus 10,000. 65,000. Purchase during the year 1/1/2016. So first of all આપણે ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ ઉપર ડેપ્રિસિએશન કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી લઈએ. એના ઉપર ડેપ્રિસિએશન 15% મુજબ રેટ ઓફ ડેપ્રિસિએશન ઇઝ 25%. 25%. 65,000 and 25%. 16,250. 16,250 plus purchase 1/1/2016. Purchase amount 75,000. So purchase જાન્યુઆરીમાં કરેલી છે. સો જાન્યુઆરી, ફેબ્રુઆરી, માર્ચ 3 મંથ માટે અસેટનો યુઝ થયો છે. દેટ મીન્સ લેસ દેન 182 ડેઝ. સો 25% એના હાફ 75,000 એના ઉપર 25% divided by 2, 9375 plus 16250, 25625. Depreciation on equipment 25625. So total 25625 plus 1 lakh plus 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 15,000, 1,54,000, 13,19,625. This is B. Taxable profit A minus B, 4,72,000 minus 1,52,375. 1,52,375. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. That is next example. Example number 19 of your book. Dr. M.S. Jhaveri own a surgical hospital at Vadodara. He give you following information pertaining to financial year 2015-16. Compute his taxable business income and deduction under section 80C. Receipt at hospital, consultation charges, business income, operation charges, business income, hospital income, gross business income, net surplus in supply of drugs, business income, gift in cash from patient, business income, payment during the year, income tax and wealth tax is disallowed, hospital expense, business expenditure, personal expense disallow, car maintenance 1/3 is allowed, so 60,000 now 1/3. Purchase of instrument through bank loan, capital assets purchase करेली છે, capital expenditure, so disallow. Paid to public provident fund, personal investment, LIC premium, personal expense, allowable depreciation charge 9,000, traveling expense 45,000, refund of first installment bank loan 20,000 plus interest, total 22,800. His son, who is an MBBS, and daughter-in-law, who is commerce graduate, attend hospital work regularly and they get salary of rupees 35,000 and 17,000 per month respectively, include hospital rent. So both are eligible. The payment of salary is eligible, so don't consider it. Traveling expense include 10,000 for family pilgrimage and 35,000 toward business promotion tour in Dubai. So 10,000 disallowed thase. LIC premium paid, totally disallowed. Sum calculate करसु, statement prepare करसु. Statement showing taxable income from business or profession of Mr. Jhaveri. Previous year 15-16, assessment year 16-17. Particulars, amount. A, taxable business income. So taxable business income. So first of all, receipt at hospital, consultation charges 6,40,000. Operation charge 14,70,000. Net hospital income 55,000. Net surplus in supply of drugs 8,000. Gift from patient 12,000. total 6,40,000, 14,70,000, 55,000, 8,000, 12,000, 21,85,000. A. Less B. Admissible expense, admissible business expense, payment during the year, income tax not consider, hospital expense 16,50,000, hospital expense 16,50,000. Personal expense not consider, car maintenance 1/3 is allowed car maintenance. Total 60,000 and a 1/3 20,000. Purchase of instrument through bank loan 60,000. Capital expenditure don't consider, paid to PPF don't consider, LIC premium not considerable, allowable depreciation 9,000, depreciation, traveling expense family other than family 35,000, business traveling expense 35,000. Refund of first installment toward bank loan 20,000 plus interest. Interest is revenue kind of nature. Total 22,800 minus 20,000 principal, so 2,800 interest on loan. Total 22,800 minus 20,000 2,800. Salary considerable, traveling expense total 16,50,000, 20,000, 9,000, 35,000, 2,800, 17,000, 1,600, 17,16,800. A minus B, taxable business profit minus 21,85,000, 4,68,200. This is your answer. 4,68,200 is taxable business profit. Next example, example number 4. That is example number 23 of your book. From the following information of Dr. M, compute his taxable income under the head income from business or profession for assessment year 16-17. Receipt and payment account, that is cash account, is given. Debit side balance, visit fee, consulting fee, sale of medicine, operation fee, operation theatre rent, income from house property. So this is not business income, એટલે consider નહીં થાય. Salary not consider, profit on sale of share, capital gain not consider, interest income, income from other source not consider, dividend on share, tax free income not consider, sale of surgical equipment, this is capital sale, so not consider. Gift from patient, this is business income. Debit side, hospital rent, business expense, salary, business expense, telephone bill, purchase of book, daughter marriage expense, personal expense. not allowed. Car expense, municipal taxes, traveling expense, miscellaneous expense, insurance premium, purchase of medicine, purchase of computer, capital purchase, so not consider. Purchase of assets and closing balance. Additional information, opening written down value of surgical instrument was 50,000. Depreciation is allowed 30%. On 1/3/2016, he purchased new surgical instrument out of personal fund for rupees 10,000. Loss in speculation business 15,000. Municipal taxes include 1,000 for residential house. So 1,000 is not considerable. Opening stock of medicine 11,000, which was 10% overvalued, while closing stock is 54,000, which was undervalued by 10%. This is very important. Fifth, salary include 10,000 paid to son who is studying in a college, disallowed. Hospital rent include 40% for residential house, disallowed. Insurance premium include 3,000 for life insurance, disallowed. The opening written down value of car was rupees 1 lakh. Depreciation allowed is 20%. Motor car is used equally for office and personal purpose. So personal disallowed. 50% business related is allowed. Statement prepare करशु. Statement showing taxable income from business or profession of Mr. M. Assessment year 16-17, previous year 15-16. Particulars A. Taxable business income. Debit side income, visit fee 30,000. Next, consulting fee 3,70,000. Next, sale of medicine 40,000. Next, operation fee 3,70,000. $3,60,000. Next, in operation theatre rent 15,000. House property income, salary, profit on sale of share, interest, dividend, sale of surgical instrument not considered. Gift from patient 10,000. Total 30,000, 3,70,000, 40,000, 3,60,000, 15,000, 10,000. 8,25,000. Less B. Admissible business expense. Credit side expenditure, hospital rent 1,20,000. એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. હોસ્પિટલ રેન્ટ ઇન્ક્લુડ 40% ફોર રેસિડેન્શિયલ હાઉસ, સો 60% ફોર બિઝનેસ. ટોટલ હોસ્પિટલ રેન્ટ ઇઝ 1,20,000. એના 60%. 72,000. નેક્સ્ટ સેલેરી, એના ઉપર પણ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. સેલેરી 4,60,000. એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ નંબર 5, 10,000 paid to son who is studying in a college. So 10,000 is disallowed. 4,50,000. Next, telephone bill 6,000. Next, purchase of book 4,000. Next, daughter marriage expense not consider, motor car expense એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. Equally for business and profession, so 50% is for business related, 20,000 and 50%, 10,000. Next, municipal taxes એના ઉપર પણ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે, 1,000 for residential house, so other than 1,000, 5,000. Total 6,000 minus 1,000, 5,000. Next, municipal taxes, then traveling expense, total 4,000. Next, insurance premium એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે, 3,000 for life insurance, so 5,000 minus 3,000, 2,000. Next, purchase of medicine, so we have to calculate consumption. First of all, opening stock and closing stock આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવા પડશે. ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક ઉપર આપણે એવું કીધું છે કે ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક ઇઝ 10% ઓવર વેલ્યુડ. સો લેટ્સ અઝ્યુમ દેટ કોસ્ટ ઇઝ 100 પ્લસ ઓવર વેલ્યુ 10%, સો 110 ત્યારે ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક આપેલો છે 11,000, તો 100 એ હાઉ મચ 10,000. ધીસ ઇઝ ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક. ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોકમાં આપણે એવું કીધું છે 10% અંડર વેલ્યુડ. So let's assume that cost 100 minus under value, so minus, that is 90 is 54,000, so 100 how much? 54 multiplied by 100 divided by 90, that is 60,000. So opening stock plus purchase, opening stock 10,000 plus purchase of medicine 80,000 minus closing stock 60,000, 30,000. 10 plus 80 minus 60, 30,000. Consumption of medicine 30,000. Next, purchase of computer 40,000, so disallow. Now first adjustment, opening written down value of surgical instrument, so depreciation calculate કરવો પડશે આપણે. depreciation on equipment, opening value surgical instrument 50,000 minus sold during the year, it is given 10,000, so opening balance is 40,000. એના ઉપર ડેપ્રિસિએશનનો રેટ છે 30%, 12,000 plus purchase. He purchased a new surgical instrument out of personal fund 10,000 on 1/3, સો લેસ દેન 182 ડેઝ, સો એના ઉપર 15%, 1500, 13,500. Depreciation on surgical improvement, $13,500. Next, depreciation on car. Opening written down value of car is 1 lakh. Rate of depreciation is 20%, so 20,000. Half for business, half for personal, so business related 10,000. Depreciation on car 10,000. Total 72,000 plus 4,50,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 30,000, 13,500, 10,000, 11,53,500. This is B. A minus B. Total income 8,25,000. $3,28,500. This is your answer. Next, example number 25. The income and expenditure account of Dr. Ramesh Dave for previous year 2015-16 is as under: staff salary, marriage expense. This is income and expenditure. Next, we have to calculate on the basis of cash account. Next, example number 34. The receipt and payment account of Dr. Dhwanit for year 2015-16 is as under: balance brought down 1640, income from clinic, that is business income from hospital, salary received from medical college, this is income from salary, so not consider. Post office saving bank account, not consider. Insurance policy matured, personal income, not consider. Interest on debenture, on company fixed deposit, on SBI deposit, on SBI saving account, all are comes under income from other sources, so not consider. Payment, rent of clinic for 2 years 63,000, repairing to clinic 3,360, purchase of equipment 3,980, this is capital in nature. Salary paid to staff, miscellaneous expense, medicine purchase, payment to HDFC for housing loan, interest on housing loan, this is housing related, so comes under house property income. Income tax, not consider. Tax on house property, that is also comes under house property income. Investment in national saving account, that is personal investment. Deposit in PPF, personal. LIC premium, personal. Investment in mutual fund, personal. Loan to a friend, personal. Personal expense, personal. Balance carry forward. Assessee maintain his book of account on cash basis. He purchased a new house property on 31st March 2014 in which he reside. He had taken a housing loan of rupees 2,80,000 for this house property from Housing Development Finance Corporation. Annual fair rent of house is considered to be 24,000. Opening stock of medicine was 3,400 and closing stock is 2,100. Depreciation is allowed 100% on equipment. Compute taxable income from business and profession 2016-17. So statement prepare करशो. Statement showing taxable income from business and profession. Of Mr. Dhwanit. Previous year 2015-16, assessment year 2016-17. Particulars, amount. A, taxable business income. Income from clinic. Income from clinic 6,90,430. Salary not consider. Post office interest not consider. Insurance not consider. Interest not consider. Total 69430. This is A. Less B. Admissible business expense, rent of clinic 63,000, repairing 3,360, next purchase of equipment 100% depreciation allow, $3,980. Salary paid to staff 4,65,000. Miscellaneous expense 4,470. Purchase of medicine, so consumption આપણે find કરશું. Consumption of medicine, opening stock of medicine is given 3,400 plus purchase of medicine purchase of medicine 12,700 less closing stock 2,100. So 3,400 plus 12,700 minus 2,100, 14,000. Consumption of medicine 14,000. Next, payment to HDFC housing loan not consider, income tax not consider, tax on house property not consider, investment in NSC not consider, deposit in PPF not consider, LIC premium not consider, investment in mutual fund not consider, loan to a friend not consider, personal expense not consider. Depreciation is allowed 100%. So total of B 63,000 plus 3,360, 3,980, 4,65,000 plus 4,470 plus 14,000, 553,810 minus 6,90,430, 136,620. A minus B, taxable business profit. taxable business profit 1,36,620. This is your answer. Here our unit is completed. In next session we will start our next unit. Thank you.